Hey everyone, this is Will Garner with New Century Advisors, and I just want to talk about the Houston apartment market for a sec because it just really reveals some shocking numbers that every investor and renter really needs to know about. So here's what's happening right now. The Houston apartment occupancy rate is sitting at around 92 to 93%, which is way above the national average of 91%. But here's the kicker. Rent growth has slowed to just 2.3% year over year compared to 4.1% last year. So what does this mean? We're seeing a stabilization phase. New construction deliveries are up 15% in the Houston metro area, with over 18,000 new units hitting the market this year. That's creating more options for renters, but also more competition for landlords. The average rent for a one-bedroom in Houston is now $1,285, and two bedrooms are averaging $1,650. When you compare that to Austin, which is one of my favorite cities, $1,890 a month for a one bedroom, you can see why people are still flocking to Houston. But here's where it gets more interesting for investors. While rent growth is slowing, property values in key Houston areas such as Atascocita, where I live, Kingwood, and Cypress are still appreciating at 6 to 8% annually. This creates a unique opportunity. You can buy investment properties at better prices while the rental market stabilizes, positioning yourself for the next growth cycle. I'm seeing cap rates right now between 6.5 to 7.2% on quality properties, which is solid in today's market. So after 20 plus years in the Houston real estate market, I can tell you this: when rent growth slows but occupancy stays high, it signals a healthy, sustainable market. We're not seeing the volatility of other major cities. For renters, this means more negotiating power and better lease terms. For investors, it's a buyer's market with long-term upside potential. The key is knowing which submarkets are still showing strength. If you want my complete Houston market analysis with specific neighborhood data and investment opportunities, I'll be giving away my 2025 Houston investment guide for the next couple weeks. Normally sell it for $97. Click the link in the bio or give us a call at 281-201-5733. I'm Will Garner, and I'll see you soon.